Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Please open your workbooks today. As you know that we have completed our exercises of porthole from our book, and the last time we did an exercise about preposition. So here they are repeating and giving us more chance to learn through the exercise of preposition. Students, can you see this box? The words here they have given, they want us to use these prepositions in oral sentences of your own. They are the words, they are known as prepositions. Over, with, round, into, behind, for, above, at, across, along, through, by, top of, near, out of, and bottom of. Let's recall a little bit about preposition, what we did and what we learned yesterday about it. That preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases or other words within the sentence. Or you can say that preposition tells us where or when something is in the relation of something else in the sentence. So these words, you can call them the linking words or bridging links between the sentences. So here they have given us pictures. There are 6 pictures and they want us to make sentences while using any of these prepositions. So in the first picture you can see there is a boat and there are trees besides it and there is mountain also. So we will talk about it like the boat is passing near the mountains. Okay. There is, in the second picture, there is a car and there is a man who is running outside the car. So the man ran out of the car. Okay. Out of and near. We have used these 2 prepositions from the box. Okay. In the third picture, there is a tiger and this must be a forest. So we can talk about it like the tiger is walking through the trees or through the forest. Okay. In this picture, there is a boy, there is a fence and the boy is jumping it. So while using the preposition, we can say the boy jumped over the fence. So from where did we get the preposition over? Right from here. Okay. Here in this picture, there is a girl. She has put her hand into a jar. Okay. So the girl has her hand into the jar. This word into is our preposition and we got it from here. In the last picture, there is a cat and she is sitting above the blocks. So we can say the cat is sitting on top of the blocks. Here we get top of. Okay. Although they want us to use these sentences in our oral use, but I have written them just for your sake. Students, this is the only exercise we will do from this lesson of our workbook because we have skipped the next exercises. Rather than do those exercises, we will better do a worksheet. Okay, so complete it right now and be ready for the worksheet. Okay, inshallah. We will meet in our next class tomorrow. Till then, stay blessed and goodbye.